Ma'am, shall we start, ma'am?
Premlata ma'am.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are audible. You can start, Fasila.
Okay, ma'am. A pleasant morning to the guest of honor, Dr. N.P. Selvan, Associate Professor, NIT Trichy, faculties of VIT, participants from various institutions and industries, and research scholars. On behalf of School of Electrical Engineering, I am welcoming one and all to this 5-day faculty development program on Prism of Research Opportunities in Smart Grid and Microgrid and Electric Vehicle Technology sponsored by Atal Academy. Before beginning the inaugural ceremony, let's all seek the blessings of the Almighty through a prayer song. Now I request our Dean and Convener, Dr. A. Peer Fatima Ma'am, Professor, School of Electrical Engineering, to kindly give the welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Vasila. A very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the participants from various institutions, industries, research scholars to this AICT sponsored 5 days virtual faculty development program on Prism of Research Opportunities in Smart Grid and Electrical Vehicle Technology, organized by our School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai. My heartiest welcome to Professor Dr. N.P. Selvan, Associate Professor and Associate Dean of Electrical, NIT Trichy, who is going to deliver the inaugural address as well as the lecture on defining the need for smart grid to our participants. As a Dean of the School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, I would like to share about some of our school activities. VIT is recognized as institution of eminence by Government of India. It's a #1 private university in our country. Our BTech program, Triple E program, is ABET accredited. Our QS World ranking, QS World University ranking by subject Triple E is 301 to 350. So in our school, around 700 students are there in our BTech Triple E program, and 125 PhD scholars are doing research. We have 39 faculty members, 36 members are PhD holders, and 2 of them are postdoc. We have 4 major research groups: power system, power electronics, machines and drives, and control system. Our faculty members are working in niche areas like IoT-based drives, smart grid technologies, electric vehicles, solar and wind energy technologies, deregulated power systems, AI-based controllers, etc. Our school has produced 26 PhDs in the past 10 years. Moreover, our faculty members have collaborated with many top universities in UK, Germany, Malaysia, Denmark, USA, Australia, South Korea in getting funded projects joint publications, and organizing workshops, seminars, and conferences. As an IOE institution, we are working towards multidisciplinary approach and conducting lot of seminars, workshops, national conferences, international conferences in online mode, even in this pandemic period. This particular virtual Atal FDP Faculty Development Program is one such activity in online mode organized by our two professors, Dr. L. Premlata and Dr. Vinu Ben Jose. This 5 days workshop mainly focuses on research potentials in smart grid and electric vehicle technology. As the topic of this workshop, smart grid and electric vehicle technology, it's more relevant to these current situations because we are moving towards multidisciplinary approach, and this multidisciplinary approach is the major focus in the new educational policy. That is our new policy NEP 2020 introduced by the Government of India. Also, we are moving towards a digital mode of operations everywhere. So if you see our school, some of our professors are working, some of our professors in power group, particularly in the power group, professors are working in smart grid. Some professors from drives group are working in electrical vehicles technology. Recently, we have inaugurated a center called Center of Electrical Vehicles. In this particular center, many of our professors from School of Electrical Engineering and the School of Mechanical Engineering both are working under this Center for Electric Vehicles. So in this way, our VAT is moving towards multidisciplinary approach, and this topic, smart grid and electric vehicle technologies, is a relevant topic to these current situations. Moreover, you all know that is a close relationship between smart grid and electrical vehicle technologies. Recently, V2G technology, you all know about vehicle to grid and grid to vehicle technology. Maybe the next 2 days sessions, some of our speakers will elaborate about V2G and grid to vehicle technologies. So as a Dean, I congratulate the coordinators to choose the right topic in right time. Also, I understand that more than 100 participants from all over the states of the country are registered for this 5 days faculty development program. I request all the participants to interact with the speakers and make use of this 5 days program to the fullest knowledge base and successful one. Wish you all the best. Have a great day. Thank you all and happy learning. Thank you.
Fasila, your mic is off. Fasila, your mic is off.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our coordinator of the event, Dr. L. Premalata, ma'am, Professor, School of Electrical Engineering, to kindly provide the outline of the 5-day program on Prism of Research Opportunities in Smart Grid and Electric Vehicle Technology. Over to you, ma'am.
Thanks, Fasila. Good morning to all. On behalf of the School of Electrical Engineering, I extend my warm greetings to our chief guest, Dr. M.P. Selvan, Associate Professor, NIT Trichy, Dean and Convener, Dr. A.P. Fatima, the other coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Biniben Jose, comrades of Select School, research scholars, and faculty from other institutions to the 5 days Atal-sponsored FDP on Prism of Research Opportunities in Smart Grid and Electric Vehicle Technology. At par excellence with the international standards in education, VIT has offered numerous prospects for the development of career through academics and research. This virtual FDP is one such platform offered by the School of Electrical Engineering in sponsorship with AICT New Delhi to converse and explore the uncountable challenges in the present power network, such as increasing demand rate, aging infrastructure, and its environmental impacts. This leads to the evolution of flexible power networks coined as smart grid that are viable solutions for the above mentioned challenges. Extensive research with suitable suggestions and contributions are carried over in the recent days in this expanse. This FDP addresses the benefits and the hurdles of implementing the smart grid technology with electric vehicles and power electronic devices. In our midst, we have the most prominent guest, Dr. M.P. Selvan. His vast teaching experience, along with the passion towards research, has made him proficient and skillful in the field of interest like smart grid, power quality, distributed generation, distribution system analysis, power system operation and control, and computer applications to power system analysis. He has handled numerous sponsored research projects and guided many research scholars. We are very happy to welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind participation. We are privileged in receiving over 200 applications for registration and approximately 100 participants from different disciplines were shortlisted. The program is categorized in 15 sessions for 5 days with 3 sessions per day. Each session will be addressed by different keynote speakers from reputed institutions and industries. Certificate of participation will be issued by the Atal Academy for those spectators with 80% of attendance and minimum 60% of marks in the online test conducted at the end of the ATP. I'm sure this development program will be fruitful to all the participants. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have our guest of the day, Dr. MP Selvan sir, Associate Professor NIT Trichy, to kindly deliver the inaugural address. Over to you, sir.
Very good morning to all, and thank you, Ms. Fazila, respected Dean of School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, Dr. Fir Fatima, and the coordinators, Dr. Premlata and Binu, and all other faculty members, participants. Very good morning to all of you. Really, it is a great pleasure to me to be part of this Atal online FDP organized by VIT Chennai. I have been closely working with VIT Chennai in different capacities, like doctoral committee members of different research scholars, and I have delivered lectures in several FDPs in VIT Chennai. Really, it is a wonderful opportunity what we had in the past. They arranged the FDPs in a grand manner and very thoughtful teams were developed by them in order to deliver a very knowledgeable points to the participants. In that series, this FDP on smart grid and electric vehicles will be a needed one for the present research group, and they are concentrating on research opportunities in this smart grid and electric vehicles. Definitely, we have lot of opportunities because we are at the growing stage. Particularly in India, we are at the growing stage with respect to smart grid as well as electric vehicle technology. Smart grid, yes, it is being implemented at many places as a pilot project in India. You will have a lot of information about those projects in this lecture series. I could observe the specialists who are delivering lecture in this workshop through the schedule. So really you will enjoy the lectures and you will get a lot of information about the smart grid projects what are being implemented in India. Most of the projects are AMR, automatic meter reading projects, and some projects are concentrating on reducing the loss in the distribution line, both technical loss and commercial loss. That is what the objective of Indian government. So you will come to know about those projects. In addition to that, there will be a lot of input on electric vehicle, which is our dream, right? in near future, maybe within next 5 years or 10 years, every one of us will be owning an electric four-wheeler, and we will be having a different kind of infrastructures at our home, at public places to interact with the grid. That is what the research now people are dreaming and doing. Definitely this workshop will give you a eye-opening in the electric vehicle technology and how that can be used in power system operation. I am very happy to note that VIT Chennai has opened a center of excellence on electric vehicle. Maybe it is one of the very few institutions in India who has opened center on electric vehicle. As far as my knowledge is concerned, this electric vehicle is one of the, I can say, equipment or commodity or a research item, whatever it is. This is the one of such multidisciplinary area. Not only the mechanical engineering, not only the electrical engineering. Within the electrical engineering, we have plenty of subdivisions, right? Let it be a power system engineer or a power electronics engineer, or let it be an electronics engineer, communication engineer, or a software engineer. Everyone can contribute a lot. Not only the engineering discipline, the management people also can contribute a lot, because electric vehicle is not only considered to be a vehicle for our transportation. With respect to power system engineer, it is considered to be a distributed energy storage. So where you can have energy interaction between the grid and vehicle. So when you have this energy interaction, definitely you will have a lot of business ideas. So you have not only the technical point, but also we have to concentrate on markets, electricity markets, the business model, how to implement the business model, right? So not only the technical people, even the management and finance students have a lot of opportunities in this electric vehicle technology. Of course, it will not happen tomorrow, right? Nothing, no technology revolution has occurred overnight. It will take a little long time. We have to keep learning and we have to work hard to achieve some technology used in real time. Right now, if you see this, whatever the topics I am telling here are available on literature, and everyone will have that. Whatever is available on the paper may not be coming in true life. Yes, at least 25% of what we have on paper can be given live in real time. With that point in our mind, we have to work hard and do a good research. I hope this workshop will give you lot of fundamentals and research ideas for the participants. With these words, I officially inaugurate this workshop and wish the workshop a grand success. All the participants will have a fruitful 5 days through this workshop. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunities.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views and ideas on smart grid and electric vehicle technology in this forum. I'm sure this would have been informative for all the attendees. Thank you, sir. As we come to the end of the ceremony, I request our coordinator of the event, Dr. R. Binu Benjos, sir, Associate Professor, Select Department, VIT Chennai, to deliver the oath of thanks.
A very good morning to one and all. Respected Chief Guest of the day, Dr. MP Selvan, Associate Professor, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Our school dean, Dr. A. Peer Fatima, VIT Chennai.
Sir, if you don't mind, one video is on.
Yes, my video is on now.
We are not seeing you. That's why.
Yeah, I did it, but let me verify later, ma'am.
Okay, sir. I think that's a problem in the video, the bandwidth problem.
Yeah. The coordinator, Dr. Premalata, School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, research scholars of the School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, and our most valued participants across institutes of the country. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I wish to express our gratitude to the chief guest for gracing today's inaugural ceremony by his august presence and a keynote address. I also thank the chief guest for his efforts and valuable time towards the preparation of the technical talk he is going to deliver in few minutes. On behalf of VIT Chennai, the supporting team of VIT, the participants, and on my own behalf, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest. Secondly, I wish to express our sincere thanks to our Dean, Dr. A. Peer Fatima, for her constant encouragement and support in conducting such activities which brings technical light to the wide audience in India and abroad. On behalf of the supporting team of VIT, the participants, and on my own behalf, a very hearty vote of thanks to Dean Ma'am. Thanks to the supporting team, which includes the research scholars and staff of Select VIT Chennai for their selfless support to bring this FDP a grand beginning. Our sincere thanks to the coordinator, Dr. L. Premalata, Professor of VIT, Professor of School of Electrical Engineering, VIT Chennai, whose inspiration on conducting events gave me a form to this FDP. Our gratitude to the participants across India who have given priority to this FDP. Though there are various procedures in applying this FDP, you have sensibly applied for it and with the thirst of technical knowledge and belief on us. On behalf of the supporting team of VIT and on my own behalf, I extend a hearty thanks to you. I extend our sincere thanks to the management and governing body of VIT Chennai for providing the complete facilities to successfully conduct this FDP. Dear participants, we put forward eminent technical speakers in this FDP. Hence, I request you to gain as much as technical knowledge as you can with your clarifications. Queries may be posted in the chat box for discussions at the end of the session. Similarly, oral questions will also be discussed at the end of the session. Further, your own new technical thoughts relevant to the session may also be shared and discussed. With hope, once again, I thank you one and all for being with us in this online session and the forthcoming sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all the participants to kindly break for 15 minutes. The session will resume at 9:45 a.m. and the attendees are requested to connect online 5 minutes prior to the next session. Thank you.
Ma'am, I'll leave the session. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.